Hi guys! If you've been following along, you know that we've already covered uppercase A and uppercase B in the previous videos. Today we're going to cover uppercase C written in 5 different ways in pointed pen calligraphy. You guys know the drill. I'll put the materials that I used in today's video in the description box below. If you have any questions, be sure to comment and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos in this series, as well as some new tutorial videos that are going to be coming out shortly.